Is the mic on, please? I beg. Okay.
Is it on? Okay.
And it's been on. Okay. Boom. Okay. So basically, yeah. Stop that.
What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Planning with Khumbo and Nico. It's your boy Nico Banda and
I'm Khumbo Nkoma.
And yeah, first of all, thanks so much for the support with the introductory episode. You guys have been amazing. Keep the support up, keep coming through, and we'll continue blessing you.
Plug you guys.
So in today's episodes, I'm going to be talking briefly about estate planning, what exactly estate planning is, who it's for, and what the benefits of estate planning are.
I'll be talking just a little bit about tax for our newly employed professionals.
So I know a lot of you guys have asked me exactly what estate planning is and what it entails. So I thought, with my first video, I'd come through and clarify that. First things first is I don't sell houses, well, at least not yet. But essentially, estate planning is all about getting your affairs in order. And I know that's quite a broad thing to say, but it involves, structuring your assets in a certain way, accounting for your assets and your liabilities, putting together certain documents, certain agreements, putting together certain structures to hold your assets, and also just ensuring that everything fits the plan that you have for not just now, but for the future as well, and after you as well. So for those of you with kids per se, you'd want to structure your affairs in a way that should anything happen to you, they're taken care of, For those of you that are 25, an estate planning process would look at what type of policies you have in place. There's no point in, as a 25-year-old, having 3 life policies that get paid out at your death. I mean, it's well and good that your favorite niece and your favorite nephew are going to be millionaires when you die, but what happens if you get severely sick or you probably end up disabled or something like that? At the end of the day, is we gotta look at your life currently, and as well as what you're trying to do, in the next 10 years, and as well as after you, and that's what we'd look at. And we'd probably say to you, maybe cut one of those life policies, get the dread disease or severe illness cover. And that's the sort of things that estate planning looks at. I mean, it's quite prying into your personal life, so we'll look into your personal life, your financial life, how your businesses are structured, how they fall into the greater scheme of your estate. Estate planning is not just for the wealthy. It's not just for the 1% in South Africa, it's for every single person, whether you just enter the job market, whether you're an experienced person in the job market. At the end of the day is you need to structure your affairs in a certain way, and that's what estate planning aims to do.
Okay, so this is a quick one to all my newly employed graduate professionals. If you got a job this year, I just want to firstly start by congratulating you. Well done. It's very tough to get a job in this market, but I have a little tax tip for you. Stay tuned. Okay, so for all my newly employed professionals who are currently paying tax, here's a quick tip for you. Boom. So what happens is a tax year runs from the 1st of March to the 28th of Feb every single year. Now what happens is if you start a job in January or February, you still have to pay tax, but technically you fall under the threshold of 79,000 Rand for the previous tax year, which means you are entitled to some coins during tax season. So in order to claim this refund, for those who have not registered on e-filing already, you have to register a profile on SARS e-filing, and we'll drop the link below. Set up your profile. They might ask you for ID, proof of residence, and bank statement. You can upload that from your laptop or computer, and that's about it. You have a SARS profile. In the next episode, I'll be talking about how you can decrease your tax liability and possibly get more tax returns during tax season.
Just a reminder, this does not constitute legal advice, financial advice, professional advice in any capacity, estate planning advice, fiduciary advice. This is all for information and education purposes. Yeah, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, leave comments underneath. If you have anything that you want us to talk about, we're more than happy to do that. If we don't know how to talk about it, if we don't know what's going on, either we'll tell you we don't know, or we'll probably get someone to come and do it for us. Thanks. Cheers. Bye.